My father farmed here and he grazed the islands, and he had to put up low water fences to keep the animals on. And the fence went out into the mud so that the cattle couldn't get off. But there's no mud anymore. The island are still grazed, but the island has to be fenced right round to keep the animals on because all the sand's got hard. There's no mud anymore. It's an island when the tide was in. On a winter day in the storm or in the spring tides, you would be cut off for 2 or 3 hours. My father farmed on the mainland and he had to work the land by the tide, if you know what I mean. The way to the fields was across the shore. But if the causeway was going to be covered at 3 o'clock and we didn't get out at 3 o'clock, we had to ask out early. But we used that as an excuse sometimes, but the master caught us on. But we had to get out early, or else we had to wait to the roan bird. I can remember my grandmother talking about the roan bird. The tide going back from the roan, being uncovered. And there were 7 of us. I can remember my grandfather and grandmother, my father and mother, and they had 3 sons. And there was only a year between us, and there were 7 of us in the house with 2 rooms. There was no electricity, oil lamps. There was a well, we had a pump, and we washed at the water barrel, the rainwater. But we were all right.